Okay, today we're doing a tool review on an angle stop wrench, specifically the Cobalt 2-in-1 plumber's wrench. You buy this for $21 at Lowe's. You can also buy these at Home Depot, Amazon, eBay, etc. Irwin also makes one of these. And just a quick disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion for Cobalt or Lowe's or Home Depot or any other vendor. This is a tool that I use. I find it comes in handy, so I wanted to let you know about it. You can see it's a two-piece wrench, and it consists of one head is a 9/16 and a 15/16, and then on the other end is an open-end wrench that's 5/8. And that other second wrench you see has that stub end, and that stub end is what you stick in the outlet of a angle stop valve, and then you would go ahead and use the 15/16 wrench to tighten the compression nut down. So you see how that fits on the supply line, and then the 15/16 wrench fits on that compression nut. Here yet is another Brasscraft compression angle stop. 3/8 outlets, 1/2-inch inlet. So again, that 15/16 wrench fits on that compression nut. And the 5/8 is for your water line connection. Give you a better view. So now we'll take a look at both wrench segments in action. You see it just unscrews from the body.
Wow.
You stick the stub end into the outlet, and then again put your 15/16 wrench on the compression nut. You can see it holds it nicely in place. This is great for unscrewing a compression nut or tightening a new compression nut when you're installing a new angle stop valve. Just one more quick note. The description says it works for closet flange bolts and nuts, and even some shower heads. I personally have not found that to be the case. Just FYI. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment for future video topics you'd like me to cover.